Hello, I'm Michael Glass from the FXcast Market Analysis team. This is our FXcast Market Analysis trading plan. In each of our videos, we try to identify high probability trading setups. We'll evaluate the gold chart to see if there's any leading sentiment. We will create a low volatility watch list, an inside bar watch list, and we'll review the economic calendar to see if there are any releases that could affect our open and new trades. As always, please send your comments and feedback to analysis@fxcast.com. As usual, we are going to start off with our gold daily chart, and we can see I consider this whole thing a consolidation range. You could say that there was 5 days here and 5 days here. But overall, I would say this is a consolidation range. And again, what are we seeing? I think we're all waiting to see what happens. The vote tonight to confirm the deal. And I think that will see some movement in the market. Look at our market profile on the hourly. Look at this. Just up and down, up and down. So a lot of choppiness, a lot of whipsaw action, which is a perfect time to be sitting on our hands and letting the market really tell us that it's ready to continue the beautiful long uptrend of gold, or whether or not it's going to pull back fully back to our 20 moving average here on the daily. So gold, I still consider that we should be sitting on hands. We're in a range, and let's let the news hit the market, and let's trade the reaction of that news. Speaking of which, what do we see on the pound dollar? Well, on the daily, we can see that our resistance of about 1.6425-ish, 64230-ish is holding up. And with the potential of the dollar strengthening off of this, which is interesting because we're borrowing more money, but the potential of the dollar strengthening has moved our pound dollar pair down. Now here, likewise, you can see we have a larger range here that we're watching. So our immediate support is going to be our 20 and 50 moving average. And if you bring our crosshairs in, what's there? Notice that we've got a couple wicks there, right here, back in early June, and that's basically where we're at right now. So there is some support here, and it made sense. As we come over to our hourly, we can see we are below neutral. We were once in a buy zone, but we're right now hovering around on long two moving average. So that to me is another sit on hands. We should see some clarity through the vote tonight. But we see what? The dollar took control. That caused our move down. We got a nice divergence. When we get that divergence, that's something you want to take advantage of. But now you can see they're starting to converge. They're coming back towards each other, and that's why we're seeing the pound dollar begin to rise. Even though the dollar is in control, they are coming back towards each other. Again, my advice, we're in a neutral zone. We're at the long-time moving average. Let's sit on hands. Let's let the news come out and react to it. And again, on our daily, we can see where we're at. There is some support. A couple buyers found value here in the past, and we also had the 20 and 50 moving average. Now, for the euro dollar, we can see, likewise, our resistance at 1.45 has held up, and we've made our way back down. Where do we make our way back down to? Well, let's grab our horizontal tool, and we can kind of see buyers have found value. Here's found value. They're finding value. They're finding value. They're finding value once again here today. On the hourly, we can see the same thing. Dollar took control, they're diverging, and as they begin to converge and come back towards each other, the euro, the price actions move back up. Where are we? Well, we're in a buying zone still. We're below neutral. However, we're just below our long-term moving average. So although the dollar's in control, we see the convergence of both currencies. And again, let's let the news, one way or the other, even if the vote doesn't happen today, even if the vote fails today, the market will react. Finally, we have the dollar franc, and we can see just a beautiful downtrend, just out of curiosity, might as well take the time to draw it in here, and let's see what we got. I just wanted to see if we're trying to pull our way back up to this downtrend action right here. Overall, obviously in a downtrend, come on over. You can see we're well below our long-term moving average. We're in the buy zone, and the franc remains in control. However, you can see that the dollar tried to come back up, and we're beginning to see a little convergence here, with the dollar trying to come back in control, and that's why we're seeing our up move here. So again, with all three of these pairs, there's a vote scheduled for this evening. The market will react no matter what the reaction of that vote is, the results of that vote is. Let's wait for that and let's trade the reaction. As we come to our low volatility inside of our watch list, we currently do not have any candidates for either watch list. Let's go to the economic calendar. As we come to our economic calendar, we can see we have a couple things. First off, we have the monetary policy for the Aussie. We have inflation data for the European Union, and some more inflation type data, the status of the consumer, what personal income outcome. I don't think those are going to really move the market too much. What probably will move the market, we had the big reaction to the deal. We had the opposite reaction to it actually being voted in. The final vote for the states will be 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and so therefore we'll probably see some reaction to the dollar currency pairs. We would like to thank you for watching our FXcast market analysis. As we continue to improve and make adjustments so that you're getting value from our videos, we want you to take the time to give us feedback, give us comments, send us questions about what you would like to see in our videos, and you can send those comments and feedbacks to analysis@fxcast.com, or you can post to our daily forum. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.